Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you on your do not disturb in your Realme phone guys. You want to on guys your do not disturb, so guys you can on it. And guys, now let's see how to on do not disturb in our Realme phone device. In this video guys, I will show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you new in my channel and guys you are watching my video first time, so guys first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So guys, now let's start the video. So then first of all open your phone setting to on your do not disturb. Then guys scroll and guys click on your sound and vibration setting. So guys tap here and guys scroll. Then guys you can see your do not disturb setting. As your phone will not ring or vibrate except for alarm and drums, and the status bar will show a moon icon when do not disturb is on. So guys we will on from here. Then guys you can see your status bar guys, you can see your moon icon, and guys you can see your phone will not ring or vibrate. So as after on guys do not disturb guys, you cannot listen guys your ring and guys vibrate setting. So I hope friends you have understood how to on do not disturb in a Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.